No matter how hard it gets, we haven't finished yet. There's so much of life ahead. We've got so much to do. No matter how hard we try, we just can't say goodbye. Don't leave here with regrets, because we haven't finished yet. No, we have not finished yet. We have only just begun. So come on out, August 26th, 9 p.m., here at the Ginger Palace 2 in Tacoma, Washington. Join us, Black Ivory's Lair, as we go on our journey of community outreach with our first annual South Sound Heart and Stroke Awareness Fundraiser. So you, and you over there, step on up to the mic and have some fun sharing your shower voice or dazzling us with your national recording artist flavor. Either way, we'll see you soon. And until then, have a black heart, believe in life, and achieve your quest for unity in everything you do. And remember, black hearts live. Tickets can be purchased online at stepuptothemic.eventbrite.com or by calling Black Ivory's Lair at 1-800-807-8524.